Students, see page number 68. I am reading our remaining paragraph. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who organized the Dalits into the Depressed Classes Association in 1930. Depressed Classes Association. Underline. So he organized, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar organized for the Dalits demand as well as for their Dalits people's welfare. Clashed means argument, we can say here, with Mahatma Gandhi at the second round table conference by demanding separate electorates for Dalits. At the round table conference, second round table conference between Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi ji, we can see clash, means Mahatma Gandhi ji as well as the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now they discussed about the separate electorates for Dalits. When the British government concede here, underline, concede means conceded. We can say the granted, allowed. When the British government conceded, allowed Ambedkar's demand. Now, Ambedkar's demand was sanctioned, allowed, granted by British government. So, Gandhiji began a fast unto death. Now, Mahatma Gandhiji, he was not ready. Means Mahatma Gandhiji disliked to give separate electorates for Dalits. So he started a fast till death. We can say Amaran Uposhan, like this. He believed that separate electorates for Dalits would slow down the process of their integration into society. Why Mahatma Gandhi ji worried? Because he believed that, he felt that separate electorate for Dalit means it would slow down the process of the national integration. So he opposed Ambedkar's demand. Ambedkar ultimately accepted Gandhiji's position. Here position means, or we can say the view, or we can say the whatever we can say the Mahatma Gandhiji's ideas, etc. Now ultimately at last Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was ready to accept Mahatma Gandhiji's view, what he wanted. And the result was the Pune Pact of September 1932. Now we can see the result. Now what happened? Pact agreement. It was known as the Pune Pact of September 1932. So by this pact, it gave the depressed classes, later to be known as the scheduled castes, it gave the depressed classes reserved seats in provincial and central legislative councils. But they were to be voted in by the general electorate. But in general election area, they would vote. Here we can see the integration, unity. The Dalit movement, however, continued, but Dalit movement that was continued. Why? To be apprehensive of the Congress-led national movement. In their minds means in Dalit's mind. Now, there was a doubt as well as the fear regarding Congress. So they continued their own organizations, or we can say the movement for themselves. Now here we can understand the limit of civil disobedience movement by Dalits. Now remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.